Hey everyone, my name is JavaScript-Project0 and this is cs50 web programming with Python and JavaScript-Project0. Now in this project, I tried to write my CSS to match Google's own aesthetics as best as possible. This project includes 3 pages, one for Google Search, one for Google Images, and one for Google Advanced Search. Now the page that appears in front of us is our Google Search page, and this is our main page. If you want to access one of the other 2 pages, on the top right of this page, we see 2 links, one called Images and one called Advanced Search. Now let's focus on our main page. In this page, we have a search bar. Here, the user can type any keyword or any specific URL he's looking for. Beneath it, we have 2 buttons, one called Google Search and one called I'm Feeling Lucky. Let's start with the Google Search. Here, when the user types any query and clicks on Google Search, he'll be taken to the Google Search results for that page. Let's take an example by typing Harvard and click on Google Search, and here we go. Now let's go back. Let's talk about I'm Feeling Lucky button. Now here, the user will be taken directly to the first Google Search result, bypassing the normal results page. Let's take the same example by typing Harvard and clicking on I'm Feeling Lucky. The page you were on is trying to send you to harvard.edu, and this is where actually I want to go, so I'm gonna click on it. And here we go, Harvard University main page. Now let's go back once again. Let's check our image page, and here we are. We have also a search bar, and beneath it we have a button called Search Image. Now when the user clicks on Search Image, he'll be taken to Google Image search results for that page. And let's take a look by typing here monkey and clicking on Search Image, and here we go, some monkey images. Now let's go back. On the top right of this page, we can see a link called Search, and when I click on this, we will be taken to Google Search main page, our main page here, and I'm gonna click on it, and here we go again. Let's check now our Advanced Search page, and now we can see the user have 4 options stacked vertically, and all of the text fields are left aligned, as you can see right now. And beneath it we have another button called Advanced Search, and when the user clicks on it, he'll be taken to search results page for their given query. Let's take an example. Let's find pages with all these words. Let's type here, this is cs50, and click on Advanced Search, and here we go. Let's type here this exact word or phrase. Let's type web programming with Python and JavaScript, and click Advanced Search. Here we go again. Let's now fill any of these words. Let's type here Python, let's type JavaScript and C++, and click Advanced Search. Here we go again. Let's go back now and fill none of these words. We're gonna type I won't get any results by typing this. And here we go again. Now let's go back. We have the same link that will lead us to Google Search main page. I'm gonna click on this. I'm sorry for the connection, and thank you so much.